The governor of Ebonyi State, Engineer David Umahi, has advised the candidate of the Labour Party, Peter Obi, to align with the northern part of the country if his intention is to become the president of the country one day. The electoral umpire, Inec, has released the list of the newly elected members of the National Assembly. The 10th National Assembly will be the most diverse in the history of the country. The former governor of Lagos State and President-elect Bola Ahmed Tinubu, during a courtesy visit to the Oba of Lagos, Shirley One Akiolu, expressed optimism at the March 11 election, stating that they might have lost the February election, but won't lose Lagos to any other party in the state. The candidates of the Labour Party, Peter Obi, and his PDP counterpart, Atiku Abubakar, has approached the court with a prayer that Inec allows it to check the electoral materials. Is Peter Obi right for going to the tribunal?